Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in developing web applications and mobile games. Today we will talk about the common JavaScript interview questions, and I think it will be a series of episodes about this topic since we can't handle all of the common JavaScript interview questions in one videos. In one video, we want the video duration not exceed 10 minutes, so we will handle as soon as we can in 10 minutes some of questions, and the other questions will be in the next videos. So let's start this episode. The first questions and the most common question in JavaScript rules interview, um, it will be about the data types in JavaScript. The question will be as this: what are the different data types in JavaScript? First up, you can or you should explain to the interviewer that you have the base knowledge of the data types in JavaScript. In every programming language, you must have the knowledge about its data type to know how to write with this programming language. If we can talk about the main data types in JavaScript, we will mention the strings, which represents the textual data. We can enclose it with single or double quotes, and the other will be numbers, which represents the numeric values, including the integers and the floating point numbers, and the Boolean data type, which represents two true or false values, and the null, and the undefined, and the object and the symbol. Here, I think the interviewer will get you to ask you an advanced question. This question, he wants to know if you have the good knowledge about data types in JavaScript or not. He will ask you what is the difference between the null and undefined data types in JavaScript. You must explain to him the difference. The difference simply is the null that represents an intentional absence of any value, but the undefined represents a variable that has been declared but not assigned with any value. So you must explain this to the interviewer to show him how you have the knowledge about the JavaScript data types. The other common question in JavaScript rules interviews will be: what are the differences between var and let and const? You must explain what you understand about the question. Most of interviewers not interested in the academic concepts. He wants to know if you have the knowledge about the question he asked you, if you understand this information well or not. So the difference is so easy. Var is a function scoped variable declaration. It has a global scope if declared outside a function. So the first difference that var is a global or has a global scope, but let it's a block scoped variable declaration, and it introduced in the ES6 for the JavaScript. It is scoped to the nearest enclosing block. So the first difference, which is clear enough, var and let. Var is a function scoped and it has a global scope, but let is a blocked scoped variable declaration. Okay, what about constant? Constant, from its name, it declares the constants in your code, which cannot be reassigned. It once defined, you cannot reassign it. Reassign it. Okay. Um, I think if the interviewer wants to know if you have the good information about this topic, he will ask you the يعني trivial question, which is if it the constant is a block scoped or a global scoped. The answer is so easy. The const is a block scoped variable only has a global scope. Okay. And another question regarding the JavaScript rules interview questions will be, what are the benefits of using E6 features like arrow functions and template literals? Okay, this a very interesting topic. In the introduction of E6 JavaScript, developers gained access to several powerful features, including arrow function and template treatments. So, what are the arrow functions? Arrow functions provide a more good syntax for defining functions, and automatically, here is the point, automatically bind the this keyword to the surrounding context. uh, our functions allows us to automatically bind this keyword in a surrounding context. You can define it with any name and use it inside the context of this function. Okay, but the template literals enable easier string interpolation and the multi help as well in the multi-lined strings and embedded expressions using backticks. You can simply use the symbol of backticks and use the variables inside the string to interpolate it or interpolate multi-line strings. I think we have exceeded the 10 minutes of this video, so we'll continue in the next episode. I hope you are interested or got the answers and questions we discussed today. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get all of our new videos. This is Mustafa Saadi, and goodbye.